True Christian repentance is a profound transformation that goes beyond mere regret for sins. It involves a heartfelt sorrow for sin, a sincere turning away from past wrongdoing, and a genuine change in one's life. Repentance is not just an emotion, it is a decisive action that reflects an understanding of one's need for God's mercy and forgiveness. A Christian acknowledges their total depravity and inability to save themselves, recognizing that without God's intervention, they are helpless in their sin. This realization leads to a deep sense of humility and a plea for God's grace. Repentance is a prerequisite for salvation in the Christian faith, marking the beginning of a restored relationship with God. It involves a conscious decision to turn away from sin and seek to live in accordance with God's will. This turning is not a one-time event, but a continual process of seeking God's guidance and striving to grow in holiness. True repentance is accompanied by faith in Jesus Christ, trusting in his sacrifice on the cross as the sufficient payment for sin. It is through this faith and repentance that a Christian receives the forgiveness and new life that God offers. This transformative process is a gift from God, enabling believers to live a life that reflects his love and righteousness.